Alright, you guys, this video here is about the subscription box, FabFitFun. This is a subscription that you get 4 times a year. In a year you get it 4 times. And it's a $200 value box. Value for $49.99 each season that it comes out. And this box here is the fall edition for FabFitFun. Check it out. See the size of this box? See how huge this is? It's well worth almost $50. So let's see. This is my first box, so we're going to see it all together. All right, here we go. Opening it up. I already cut it open, so it's ready. What you get inside, you get some brochures, you get some coupons for things that are in the box. I always give you this $50 coupon. All right. And this here is a brochure that comes with it. It's quite informative. A brochure, it tells you information about the items you have in the box, which are here. And each month there's certain items that you can pick out, and there's certain items that will definitely be in everybody's box. So that's really cool that they let you pick out some items. Some subscription boxes does not allow that. So, and the rest of this book just gives you information about all the items that's in the box. So let's go through and see what's in the box. That's what we came here for. Okay, first item that's in the box is, as you can see, 2 packs of the Glam Glow. You ladies know about this. We've seen this before. Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. And it comes with 2 packs. And this is for the value of $18. Awesome. Can't try that now, but when I do, I will let you guys know in the description how this is. So, awesome. All right, next thing in the box here. This will be a sponsor item that's in the box. This here is the Luna Rica bar. Sounds yummy. This is a cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. See? Yummy. That should be interesting. Salted caramel nuts. See there. See there? That's the one I got in my box. Not sure if everyone got different ones, but that's the one I got. Awesome. And that's a sponsor item, so that's thrown in extra. Cool. All right, next thing that we have in the box here. We have, and these items here is in everybody's box that they get. So this one here is the Skin & Co. Roma Blue in Capri. And it retails values for $22. This here is a shower gel inspired by lemon farmers in Capri, Italy. And it's deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. That sounds like it might smell good. It's a decent size amount too. 7.7 ounces. Big size. Let me see. Okay, let me see what it smells like. Oh, that does smell good. Nice and flowery. And I'm not a big flower fan, but this actually smells really good. So, awesome. All right, next thing that we have in the box. Look at here. Well, this is an interesting find to see in the box. An actual beauty blender. Awesome. And this one retail values at $20. And we lady, I don't need to explain this. We know what this one is. And each box, the color does vary. So I was kind of upset that I got a brown. But then I thought about it. I was like, wait a minute. If I'm going to use it for my foundation. My foundation is brown anyway. So it works out. So awesome. A beauty blender. All right. Next item that we have in the box. And these items I'm showing first is the items that everybody will get in their box. This one we have here. What is this? Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in the package. This one here are the Simply Whimsical tea towels. And they retail values for $14.99. Okay. This is a set for 2 in a playful gray pattern that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. Now they give this for a reason. So the other item in the box, you explain why we have this in there. So that's really cool. Nice tea set towel. And I was looking to change up my decor, so this actually works with it. So right on time. Awesome. Okay, next item we have in the box. Now these items here are the ones that you actually get to choose from in a box. And this one's for selected items. You have to get 3 different things, and the one I got is from the company Pharmacy Do It All. It's a total eye cream. And this retail value is for $38. This is for fine lines and dark circles. It's a moisturizing eye cream that minimizes visible signs of aging, stress, and fatigue while reducing the appearance of dark circles. What woman doesn't love that? Okay. All right, let's see. It looks like a nice, decent size, too. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Look at this cute packaging. Let's check it out. Pharmacy, nice wooden top here. Awesome. Okay. Gotta open it up like this. Nice size amount. Let me give it a little swatchy, see what that feels like on the skin. It goes under the eye, so I'm just feeling on the skin. It's nice and moisturizing for the eye, so that'll be good. And there's no scent to it, so that's good. You don't want to walk around with a scent that you don't prefer, so awesome. And it's called Do It All by Pharmacy. Okay, next item that's in the box. And this is another item where you get choices out of 3 they give you. And for selected members only, you get to choose. But the one I got is from Grown Alchemist. And this one here is the Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit. And this retail value price is for $67. Can you believe that? The packaging, you see, you don't need much for packaging. So it's nice and simple. Can't beat that. Let's open it up. Okay. Simple packaging. You don't need anything too fancy. And it has that like tin aluminum foil kind of tube. So that's interesting. Uh-oh, it looks like one of those tops here that you would have to puncture. So let's see how that goes. See, have to puncture it through. Let's do that. Hope it doesn't squirt out. Ooh. Okay, there it is. Let's try it. It's exfoliant, so see how gritty. If it's fine, if it's rough. Sometimes rough is okay on skin. You want something nice and get all them dead skin cells off. Okay, yeah, that's nice. It doesn't break it down too much. It'll give a nice scrub. I like it. The scent is more of, it's like a naturally kind of scent, so I don't really smell grapefruit. So I think it's the other thing that's in it. It's another extract, glucomannan. Excuse me, I can't really pronounce that, but it's a different extract. It smells, that's what's probably dominant in the sense, but it's definitely, I don't smell the pink grapefruit. But it's not bad. It's nice and gritty, so I like it. Awesome. Okay, next thing that's in the box. What do we have here? Look at this. Who gets this in the box? This here is the Cyclo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds. And they give you an option of you get to choose. Either you choose the black or the white ones. And as you can see, I chose the white ones. And with this here, they give you 2 options. You either get the umbrella or you get the Bluetooth headphones. I'm considering I had just bought, before I subscribed to this blog, I just bought a new umbrella for me and my daughter. So, of course, I was going to pick the headphones instead. So, and she can actually use a pair of headphones herself. So, okay, what do we have here? It's so pretty. Open it up. See on the tips here, it's nice and pink. So that definitely fits for a little girl. She's not too little. When I say little, I mean 15-year-old. So, awesome. That's a good to get about. And this one here, retail values for $40. And if I would have got the umbrella, that would have been for $39.99. So, good. Awesome. Can never go wrong with some Bluetooth headphones. All right. Next thing we have here out of the box is this box here. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this box coming out of this big box. See the size of the stuff you get in this box. It's well worth it. More than worth it. Everything values for between $285 to $375 in this box. So, okay, and this one here, like I said, with this you get to choose with 2 different options. They either gave you this one, which is the Alfred Teapot, which retail values for $26, or the other option, which I didn't really care for, but it was the Alfred French Press, and that retails for $22. I'm more of into teas and whatnot, so this kind of grabbed my attention. And plus, when you see the color of this, it is so cute. How can I not get it? Look at this. Look. And it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Cute teapot. Nice little tinfoil top here. You get a press to open. And then once you open it up, this is the part that I really like inside. It's a nice little tin metallic little cup. You get to put tea bags, put tea leaves in here, and actually make tea from it. So cute. Love it. Love it. And I think this is what sold me in this box. This item. Awesome. Okay. And I will definitely be using this right after I make this video. Right away. Awesome. Okay. Last but not least item that's in this box. We have here Just look at the name. I think you know that name and how much this could possibly be. This here, and this is one of the items you get to, you see how many items you get to choose? You select. This is a selected item. Either you chose this or it was a different item. The other option was the Crown Brush 6-piece brush set, either in black and rose gold or a silver set. And that retailed for $75 alone, just the brush set. And this one here, we open it up so you can see. Sure you don't want to look at a plastic wrapping. Ooh, the suspense. If I can figure out how to open this thing. We're just gonna rip the bag, okay? See, it's in a protective case. Keep it nice and pretty. Take it out the bag. Oh my God, look at it. What woman, move it back so you can see. What woman would not love this bag? This here is a Vince Camuto Luck Tote. And you can either choose between the black, which is the gray stripe, or the Red Desert, which is a brown with a black stripe in the middle. And get this, the retail value price for this bag, $128. I kid you not. Let me show you. $128 just for the bag. I kid you not. There. Wow. Tell me this bag alone did not pay for this box. 3 times fold. 3 times. Get to see inside of it. It's a nice size. A little pocket here. A little pouch. You get to put your cell phone or markers or whatnot. It's decent size. You get to put tablet, purse, whatnot. It's cute. I love it. This bag is everything. All right. So these are the items that came in a box. This box is everything. You got the bag. You got the teapot. You got the Bluetooth. Here, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Let me move it back. Get everything in visual because, you know, it's so many items that you get in the box here. You got the wash there. You got the Glam Glow. Can you see? Can you see? The Glam Glow. You got the Alchemist exfoliator. Can't forget the beauty blender. Cute little beauty blender. You got your sponsored item, which is free. This is not even a counted item that's in the box. A Luna bar. Let's see. Then we have the eye cream. Look at all these items. Look, just look. Oh, we can't forget the towels. The towels, can they fit on it? Can they fit? Can you see them, people? Can you see them? There's the towels. See the bar. See, is there anything else? Anything else? Anything else? No, I think that's it. All these items here. All these items here for the price of $49.99. Tell me this is not a steal of a deal, people. All right, well, if you like this video, put a like, check the little thumbs up. If you want to send me a comment, any suggestions, or any tips you may give me, or just tell me how you like this video, I'm all welcome to seeing it. Subscribe, and I'll post more subscription box. So if you like this box, go ahead and sign up for it. I think the next box, I believe, will be in December, November or December, I believe. I just got this box this month, and I believe some people got this box last month. Just depends on when you subscribe. So I subscribed at the beginning of September, so that's why I just got this box. And I did see people previously posted other videos earlier, way earlier, because, you know, they've always been subscribed. So it just depends when you subscribe. So, all right. Well, see you guys later. Bye. Thank you for watching.